You're still using Photoshop? If you're doing complex photo edits with a mouse and keyboard, you are working too hard. The world of AI has changed everything, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit any image with just a few tips and tricks. We're going to dive into Gemini's new image editing features, from changing backgrounds to adding objects and even dressing up a model, all with simple text prompts. But this isn't like other AI tools that ruin faces. With Gemini, you get incredible results while keeping the original person exactly the same. Before we jump in, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos on the latest AI tools and news. Now, let's get started. I've grabbed this image from Pexels and we're going to play with it. When you log into Gemini, you'll want to select the Create Images tool. Once you've uploaded your photo, it's time for our first prompt. I'm going to type, remove the background objects in this picture. Wait for it to process. And just like that, you can see how swiftly it's removed the objects from the background. Now, let's try a more complex task. Let's give it this prompt. Change the background to an open garden with children playing games at the back. Wait for it to process. Look at that. It not only changed the background, but it also perfectly adjusted the lighting to match the open sunlight. The texture looks incredibly natural. Let's try changing the person's clothes. I'll use the prompt. Add a black leather jacket to the image, matching its skin texture. See how beautifully it's wrapped the jacket around her? It looks completely natural, as if she was wearing it in the original photo. Now, for a challenge, I've uploaded this male model's image. Let's see if we can add him to the scene with this prompt. Add this model sitting beside the girl in the existing image. Okay, not bad. It has him sitting there naturally, looking at his mobile. It took him a little bit back, but it's a very natural placement. It even added this flower pot, which might be because it was in the original source image. Now, let's do something really useful. Here you can see an image of an empty room. Let's use Gemini to redecorate it. Our first prompt is, change the flooring to wooden tiles. Wait for it to process. Look at how beautifully it added the flooring, even giving it a natural shadow from where the light is coming in. Now, let's add some furniture. Our next prompt is, add a sofa with a table showing a proper sitting arrangement. See how beautifully it's added the sofa? The best part is you can even upload an actual image of the sofa you want and use that instead. And for our final touch, let's add a chandelier with the prompt, add a chandelier to the room. Wait for it to process. Everything looks great, but that ceiling still feels a bit commercial instead of like a home, so let's change it. Final prompt, change the ceiling to a more home-like texture. I hope you liked this video and are ready to start using Gemini for your own projects. Let me know in the comments what else you could use this tool for in your business. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you very much.